Stella? Stella?
Hmm?
Oh, baby. My baby sister.
Blanche, what's the matter with you?
He's left?
Stan?
Yes.
Yes.
Will he be back?
He went to get the car greased. Why?
Why? I've been half crazy, Stella. When I found out you'd been insane enough to come back in here after what happened last night, I started to rush in after you.
I'm glad you didn't.
What on earth were you thinking of? Answer me. What? What?
Please, Blanche, sit down and stop yelling.
All right, Stella. I'll repeat the question quietly now. How could you come back in this place last night? Why, you must have slept with him.
Blanche, I'd forgotten how excitable you are. You're making much too much fuss about this.
Am I?
Yes, you are, Blanche. I know how it must seem to you, and I'm sorry it had to happen. But it wasn't anything as serious as you seem to take it. In the first place, when men are drinking and playing poker, anything can happen. It's always a powder keg. He didn't know what he was doing. And he was as good as a lamb when I came back. He is really very, very ashamed of himself.
And that makes it all right?
No, it isn't all right for anybody to make such a terrible row. But people do sometimes. Stanley's always smashed things. Why, on our wedding night, as soon as we came in here, he snatched one of my slippers and rushed about the place smashing all the light bulbs.
He did... What?
He smashed all the light bulbs with the heel of my slipper.
And you let him? You didn't run? You didn't scream?
I was sort of thrilled by it. Did you have breakfast?
Do you suppose I wanted any breakfast?
There's some coffee left on the stove.
You're so matter-of-fact about it, Stella.
What other can I be? He's taken the radio to get it fixed. It didn't land on the pavement, so only one of the tubes was broken.
And you are sitting there smiling.
What do you want me to do?
Pull yourself together and face the facts.
What are they, in your opinion?
In my opinion, you're married to a madman.
No.
Yes, you are, and your fix is worse than mine is. Only you're not being sensible about it. I'm going to do something. Get a hold of myself and make a new life.
Yes.
But you've given in. And that isn't right. You're not old. You can get out.
I'm not in anything I want to get out of.
What? Stella.
I said, I'm not in anything that I have a desire to get out of. Blanche,